guided sleep meditation for energy healing and grounding, collecting light into the lower Dantian. Welcome, dear one, to this gentle moment of quiet connection where the breath meets the body and the body remembers its own strength. A space where you are softly invited to let go of all expectations, to allow yourself to be exactly as you are, and to gently return to the stable center within you, the place of calm and quiet power that has always been there, patiently waiting beneath the surface of thought and noise. Take a few moments now to arrive fully wherever you are. Whether lying down or sitting still, let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw loosen and feel the gentle pull of gravity anchoring you to the earth beneath. As if the weight of the day is already beginning to melt and dissolve. There is a quiet teaching that says, the mountain does not move when the winds rush past. In the same way, your center, your true self, remains grounded and calm even when the mind is busy or the heart uncertain. Tonight, we will return to that still center within, collecting light, gathering energy, and gently grounding into your own natural strength. Now bring your attention gently to your lower belly, about 3 finger widths below the navel and slightly inward. This is your lower Dantian, the core of your energy body, a place of quiet warmth, of stability, of life force. As you inhale, gently imagine that soft golden light is entering the top of your head, perhaps like morning sun or like warm mist. And with each breath in, this light flows down your spine, slowly, gently, settling into the lower Dantian, like a glowing drop of honey, finding stillness in a bowl. And as you exhale, feel the light concentrating there. Becoming brighter, warmer, heavier. not in a way that weighs you down, but in a way that roots you deeper, calms you more fully, reconnects you with the silent strength beneath all movement. Let us breathe together now. Feel the light entering through the crown of the head, flowing downward, golden and pure. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And feel the light settle, growing brighter in your belly. Again, inhale, soft and deep, drawing light through the top of your head all the way down. Exhale, slow and steady, feeling that light become more solid, more present within you. With each breath in, you welcome healing. With each breath out, you become more grounded, more present in the body, more whole. Drawing energy into the Dantian. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feeling your center glow like a golden ember, steady and alive. Now, allow the breath to continue on its own, softly and without effort. And notice how calm and stable you feel. How supported and warm it feels to rest in this energy. How safe it feels to return to your core, to your natural rhythm, to the glowing inner space that needs nothing from you. Only your presence You are doing beautifully. Nothing to fix, nothing to force. Only this gentle gathering of light and rest. Only this return to peace. Bring your awareness once more to your lower belly. Feeling the warm energy you've gathered. Glowing softly within. A quiet center of strength. You can return to at any moment. Offer gratitude to your breath, to the space around you, to your body for holding you, and to yourself for choosing this moment of healing. As we come to the end of our time together, take one final deep, gentle breath in. And as you exhale, allow your whole body to soften into sleep. Carrying this quiet glow into your dreams. Like a lantern beneath the night sky. Quiet, radiant, and endlessly calm. You are grounded. You are safe. You are home. Thank you for sharing this sacred breath with me. You've been with Relaxa. Thank you for being here with me. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. And for more relaxation, download my app, RELEXA, Relax and Sleep.